In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Freebie PDF to Wix for download. Start by opening your site layout in the Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left side panel and click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus symbol. This is where you can insert new content and interactive items into your page. From there, choose Button and add a button to the section where you want visitors to access your Freebie PDF. Place it somewhere easy to see so it is clear that this is the download action for your audience. After the button appears on your page, click directly on it to open its action menu. You will see a small link icon that looks like a chain link. Click that icon to set what happens when someone selects the button. In the link settings window that opens, look at the options on the left sidebar and choose Document. This tells Wix that the button should link to a file instead of another page, website, or section of your site. Next, click the blue Choose File button. This will open the Wix Media Manager, which is where your uploaded files are stored. If your PDF is not already there, go to the top left and click Upload Media. Then select the PDF file from your computer and wait while Wix processes it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish completely before moving on. Once the upload is complete, select the PDF from the Media Manager. This connects the document to your button so visitors can download it when they click. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple documents in your media library. It is a good idea to use a clear file name before uploading so it is easy to identify. Finally, confirm your selection and save your changes. Saving is important so the link stays attached to the button and works properly on your live site. After that, you can preview the page and test the button to make sure the PDF opens or downloads the way you expect. That covers everything you need to know.